Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another exciting episode where we uncover the hidden gems in our everyday lives. Did you know that over 6 million tons of coffee grounds end up in landfills every year? That's insane. Imagine the sheer volume of waste we're talking about here. We're talking mountains of perfectly good coffee just wasted. It's like throwing away a treasure chest without even opening it. But what if I told you we could turn this trash into treasure? Yes, you heard that right. Those coffee grounds can be repurposed in ways you wouldn't believe. That's right, those used coffee grounds sitting in your trash can, they don't belong there. They have so much untapped potential. They're not garbage, they're full of potential. Think of them as a secret ingredient waiting to be discovered. We're about to dive into 10 mind-blowing ways to reuse your coffee grounds that'll save you money, help the planet, and maybe even change your life. From gardening hacks to beauty treatments and even household cleaning tips, we've got it all covered. Let's get brewing and unlock the secret superpower of coffee grounds together. Okay, first up, let's talk about why chucking your coffee grounds in the trash is a big no-no. You might think it's just a small thing, but it has a huge impact on our environment. When we send all those coffee grounds to landfills, they don't get the oxygen they need to decompose properly. This lack of oxygen causes them to break down anaerobically. Instead of decomposing naturally, they release methane, a greenhouse gas that's significantly more potent than carbon dioxide. Methane traps heat in the atmosphere at a much higher rate. We're talking about a massive amount of methane gas just from wasted coffee. Imagine the cumulative effect of millions of coffee drinkers tossing their grounds every day. Plus, all those valuable nutrients in the coffee grounds go to waste. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which is great for plants and soil health. It's like throwing away a winning lottery ticket. You're discarding something that could be incredibly beneficial. So, what can we do about it? There are actually several ways to repurpose your used coffee grounds. Buckle up, because we're about to unlock the hidden potential of your used coffee grounds. From enriching your garden soil to creating natural cleaning products, the possibilities are endless. For instance, you can add coffee grounds to your compost pile. They help create rich, fertile soil that's perfect for growing plants. Or you can use them as a natural exfoliant in homemade scrubs. They're great for your skin and help reduce waste. Coffee grounds can also be used as a natural cleaning agent. They're abrasive enough to scrub away grime, but gentle enough not to damage surfaces. So next time you enjoy a cup of coffee, think twice before tossing those grounds. You have the power to make a positive impact on the environment, one cup at a time. Get ready to unleash your inner gardener. Today we're diving into an amazing gardening hack that will transform your green space. Leftover coffee grounds are like a magic potion for your plants. Instead of tossing them out, you can repurpose them to give your garden a nutrient boost. They're packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the essential nutrients plants crave. These elements are vital for plant growth, helping them develop strong roots, vibrant leaves, and beautiful blooms. Just sprinkle some around your plants and watch them flourish. Over time, you'll notice your garden becoming more lush and vibrant. Coffee grounds also attract earthworms, those little composting ninjas that improve soil structure. Earthworms break down organic matter, making nutrients more accessible to your plants. And hold up, it gets even better. Not only do coffee grounds enrich the soil, but they also play a role in pest control. Coffee grounds can help deter pesky slugs and snails from munching on your precious plants. The texture and caffeine content create a barrier that these pests don't like to cross. It's like a natural, eco-friendly pesticide. By using coffee grounds, you're not only protecting your plants but also reducing the need for harmful chemicals. So ditch those chemical fertilizers and give your garden a coffee boost. Your plants will thank you and you'll enjoy a healthier, more sustainable garden. Tired of those pesky ants, mosquitoes, and other creepy crawlies invading your space? Well, guess what? Coffee grounds are like an invisible force field against those unwanted guests. Sprinkle some coffee grounds around your home's foundation, windowsills, or any entry points where those critters like to sneak in. The strong aroma of coffee acts as a natural repellent, sending those pests running for the hills. And the best part, it's completely safe for kids and pets. So ditch those harsh chemical repellents and let the power of coffee protect your home. Chapter 4. Neutralize odors. Naturally with coffee. Let's face it, sometimes our fridges, trash cans, and gym bags could use a little freshening up. But before you reach for those chemical air fresheners, try this. Fill a small bowl with used coffee grounds and place it in the back of your fridge near your trash can or inside your gym bag. The coffee grounds act like a natural odor absorber, neutralizing those unpleasant smells and leaving behind a subtle coffee aroma. It's like magic but without the questionable chemicals. Chapter 5. Coffee Scrub for Sparkling Clean Dishes. Get ready for the ultimate cleaning hack. Those rough coffee grounds are like a gentle abrasive that can power through stuck-on food and grime on your pots and pans. Just sprinkle some coffee grounds on your dirty dishes, add a little dish soap, and scrub away. The coffee grounds help remove stubborn stains and leave your dishes sparkling clean. Plus, the coffee aroma will make your kitchen smell amazing. Chapter 6. Coffee, the secret to glowing skin. Calling all beauty enthusiasts. Did you know that coffee grounds can do wonders for your skin? The caffeine in coffee grounds can help reduce inflammation, while the antioxidants fight free radicals, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Mix some coffee grounds with coconut oil or honey to create a DIY coffee scrub. Gently massage it onto your face and body to exfoliate dead skin cells and reveal a healthy glow. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Get ready to unleash your inner fashion designer. You can actually dye fabrics with coffee grounds, giving your clothes a vintage, earthy look. Simply brew a strong pot of coffee, let it cool, and then soak your fabric in the coffee dye. The longer you soak it, the richer the color will be. You can experiment with different types of coffee and brewing times to create unique shades and patterns. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to give your old clothes a new lease on life. Chapter 8. Give your compost a coffee kick. Coffee grounds are a composting superstar. They're rich in nitrogen, a key ingredient that helps break down organic matter in your compost bin. Just sprinkle your used coffee grounds into your compost pile, along with other kitchen scraps and yard waste. The coffee grounds will help create a healthy balance of nitrogen and carbon, speeding up the composting process and creating nutrient-rich compost for your garden. It's a win-win for you and the environment. Chapter 9. Coffee for Luscious Locks. Get ready for a hair care secret that's brewing with possibilities. Coffee grounds can actually make your hair look and feel amazing. The caffeine in coffee grounds can help stimulate hair growth, while the antioxidants add shine and softness. Create a coffee hair mask by mixing coffee grounds with olive oil or yogurt. Apply it to your hair, let it sit for 20 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Your hair will be incredibly soft, shiny, and full of life. Chapter 10. Coffee, fueling the future. Hold on to your hats, coffee lovers, because this one's a game changer. Scientists are now exploring the incredible potential of using coffee grounds to create biofuels and even building materials. That's right, the humble coffee bean could be a key player in a sustainable future. Imagine a world powered by coffee. It's still early days, but the possibilities are truly mind-blowing. So next time you enjoy your morning cup of joe, remember that you're not just drinking coffee, you're holding the future in your hands. Outrow joined the coffee revolution. There you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing ways to reuse your coffee grounds that'll save you money, help the planet, and maybe even change the world. From supercharging your garden to fueling the future, the possibilities are endless. So, ditch the trash can and embrace the power of coffee. And hey, if you're as amazed by the power of coffee as I am, hit that subscribe button and join the coffee revolution.